Imagine your body as a bustling city where construction crews work day and night to repair roads and build new structures. In this vibrant metropolis, Mitosis is the master architect and contractor, responsible for growth, repair, and renewal. Today, we will embark on a journey to understand cell division, focusing on the process of mitosis, a critical event in the life of every living organism. Before we dive in, let's set the stage by defining the foundation. Cells are the building blocks of life, like individual bricks in an enormous structure. The cell cycle is the series of events a cell undergoes, ensuring it grows, prepares its genetic material, and ultimately divides. It includes the G1 phase, where the cell grows, the S phase, where DNA is replicated, the G2 phase, a time of final preparations, and finally the M phase, a stage that encapsulates mitosis. This orderly process guarantees the cells function correctly, contributing to processes like skin regeneration, bone repair, and even plant growth. Now, let's explore mitosis step by step. First, in prophase, the cell prepares for division by condensing its chromatin into distinct, visible chromosomes. Imagine a library where scattered books suddenly align into clear, organized stacks. During this phase, the nuclear envelope begins to dissolve, creating the perfect setting for chromosomes to be accurately distributed. This transformation not only symbolizes the beginning of change, but also eradicates common misconceptions that cell division is a chaotic event. Instead, it is a meticulously orchestrated performance. Moving forward, we transition to metaphase, where the magic of organization continues. At this stage, every chromosome lines up perfectly at the cell's equator. Think of a marching band aligning their ranks before a performance. This orderly alignment is critical because it ensures that when the time comes to separate, each daughter cell receives an identical set of genetic blueprints. Through clear diagrams and animations, you can picture how chromosomes form a tight line, showcasing nature's precision and serving as undeniable evidence of the inherent order within life's complexity. The next stage is anaphase. In this dramatic phase, previously paired sister chromatids are pulled apart, migrating toward opposite poles of the cell. Like a tug-of-war with balanced forces, spindle fibers coupled with the cell's internal machinery ensure that each half of the cell inherits an accurate copy of the genetic material. This separation is vital. Without it, errors in cell division can occur, leading to cell malfunction or even contributing to conditions like cancer. It becomes evident that nature has built in checks and balances to maintain order and prevent errors from disrupting life's delicate rhythm. Telophase follows as a thoughtful conclusion to the mitotic dance. Here, the separated chromatids begin to reform into new nuclei, as if wrapping up a successful project with a bow. The reformation of nuclear envelopes marks not only the near end of division, but also the restoration of normalcy and order. Finally, cytokinesis divides the cell's cytoplasm, resulting in two genetically identical daughter cells ready to take on their roles in the ongoing symphony of life. Throughout this journey, we have used vivid analogies to demystify a process that may seem abstract at first glance. Diagrams and realistic animations help us see how each phase of mitosis contributes to the larger picture of growth and repair. By comparing the cell cycle to everyday processes like construction sites and marching bands, we reveal the inherent beauty in the mechanics of nature and underline the importance of accurate cell division. Mitosis is more than just a scientific process. It is the cornerstone of life's persistence and resilience. Each phase, from prophase to telophase, plays a critical role in keeping organisms healthy and functioning. As you continue to learn about the intricate details of cell division, remember that every repair, every new cell, and every moment of growth is powered by this incredible process. Explore the fascinating world of cell division and discover how mitosis plays a pivotal role in the growth and healing processes of living organisms.